Okay, here we are at data.interzoid.com where we can use AI, knowledge bases, and web searches to generate any data on any subject. And then once we're happy with our results and they've been optimized and we like our data parameters, we can turn that into an API call that we can then integrate into anything. As just a quick example, let's load the example configuration, and that'll save us a little bit of time. And what we're doing here, you can see all the output parameters that we're going to generate. And again, we can create these from scratch, but in this example, we're just going to do it quickly. And we can provide a general description, in this case, detailed information about companies, since we're just getting some business demographics. And then I can put any lookup value I want. So in this case, company name Cisco. We're going to get the website, number of employees, CEO, ticker symbol. Again, we can change, add, edit, delete, whatever we want here. But I want to show you the API piece, and so we're quickly going to run. And then we will get the data returned back to us, and we can see the revenue, the CEO, the different pieces of information we were asking for. We can do that for other companies, whatever lookup value. This is the key point, the lookup value based on our data description and the various output parameters that we want to get back, and the data becomes here. So I can try new values, I can put a different company name, whatever the case may be. But the key point here is I want to show you is you can click this button here to learn more about it, but we can generate an API call. If you look at the parameters here, you include your API key. The topic is this description up here, which helps us better understand what kind of data we're looking for. And then the lookup value is here. This is the one that's probably going to become a parameter as well, as you'll want to try it with different values. The model that we're using, and this is just, we have some different models available. Model A Premium includes the web search, so you'll want to use that for the most detailed and comprehensive results. And then the various fields that we want to pull back. And this is just the same data that we got here. So this whole interface allows you to optimize, in kind of a playground-like scenario to get the data exactly like you want. And then once you generate your API, it's just a JSON REST call. You can copy and paste it, and you can integrate this anywhere. So for example, if every time a new contact or lead comes through a web form, you can call the API for this company and get all of this information, or whatever information. You can change these parameters again to generate a new API call for whatever parameters are interesting and useful to you. So you're simply using this as an AI data retrieval playground that then generates your API that you can integrate anywhere, or you can actually save this configuration and you can run it in batch at our batch tool at batch.interzoid.com. But the point of this quick demo is just to show you how to generate a call that uses an API, or to generate an API call that you can then integrate anywhere and retrieve this kind of data in real time or whatever your specific use case is. For more information, visit interzoid.com. Thank you.